How to fix WhatsApp keeps crashing issue on Android. If you are facing such issue, there are mainly couple of reasons. First is you have a bug or a glitch issue that can be easily solved by clearing off the cache. Another is your system is not up to date and it is not being able to support the latest version of WhatsApp. In order to do so, press and hold onto your WhatsApp app and head to App Info. Force stop it, then head to Storage and Cache and clear the cache. It is to fix any bug or a glitch issue. Next step, exit from here, then open up your phone setting. Scroll down, then you have to find the option of Apps and head to All Apps. Search for WhatsApp. This is the alternative way to force stop your application and clear up the cache if the first method is not available for you. Now, while you are in your phone setting, you can also check out your system update. Now, last step is to open up your Play Store and search for your WhatsApp. In here, check for any available update for your WhatsApp application. Leave for an update if there is any available update. And this is all for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.